What's good, YouTube? We back with another video. As y'all can see by the title, how to make the perfect burger with BTM Shad. I'm gonna be showing y'all how I get down in the kitchen my way. It's the best way. I'm telling y'all, this burger gonna be amazing. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. As y'all can see, I got my preparation set up. I got my burgers, I got my seasoning, I got my cheese, I got my buns, I got my eggs. Now the meat we're gonna be using, we're gonna be using steak burgers today. The thing about the perfect burger is how you season it, is how you cook it. You can cook it however you want it, but it's all about the seasoning. Now first, I'm gonna start off. I can't tell y'all what this is. Actually, I'm gonna tell y'all what it is. It's that BTM seasoning. Burgers. Make sure you get it good. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna turn the pot on the stove. For these burgers, you want them to cook all the way through perfectly. So we're gonna turn it on medium heat. Next, I like to use olive oil so it really doesn't stick. You gotta use olive oil. But you want to use enough. And after this video, blood pressure probably gonna go up a little bit. So, you know, just help me out by giving me a like or a subscribe. I'm doing this for y'all. I did wash my hands. I'm the only person eating my food. I did wash my hands. Look how well that's seasoning. We're gonna do this on both sides too. So once ooh, you hear that? So we got the burgers in there. Now we're gonna season the other side. You always wanna make sure you season both sides. Garlic powder. A little bit of that oregano. Not too much. I'm gonna show you these beautiful, fabulous golden brown buns I'm gonna be using today. I'm going to show you how that's looking so far. You see it's getting brown at the bottom. We just cooking. It's looking good so far. We got this pot ready. We about to get our eggs going. Alright, so now we're gonna go in. Look at our burgers. Look at that. That's beautiful. Our eggs are ready. Alright, so look. The burgers are finishing up now. What we gonna do? Shit, that's hot. So we laid our egg over the burger. Now we're gonna do the cheese. So we got our egg. We're gonna lay that cheese over top. Alright, y'all. So now the burger is done. I'm gonna take them out. One by one. The moment we've been waiting for is the cutting time so we can see the inside. Now would you look at that? Look how perfect that is. That's beautiful. Now, hey man, y'all see the piece of the burger? You see the piece of the burger. Shall I take a bite for y'all? It look amazing. Look at that. And it's smoking. Let me go ahead and take a bite for y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. That's how you make a perfect burger. We out.
And if you ain't on day one, I'm from the block, you ain't hitting this. Off of champagne hitting licks. Tell me why you bless me.